wanna play? Dude, I'm gonna play the Xbox one.
Oh, so you're just gonna take my seat?
Yeah. It's a nice seat. Oh, let me make an account.
Why?
I'm your friend.
I know. What happened? Yeah, can you get the tripod that's in the basement so we can use it?
No, you go get it. Come on.
Dude, it's literally right there in the basement. And then...
Come on, you can go get it.
Real quick.
Well, I don't wanna get it though.
Just be... It's literally... Alright, so you go down the stairs, turn right, and literally it's right there. Has my camera on it.
I don't want to.
Oh my god. It'll be 1 second. I'll set up your account.
Okay, man. Where is it?
It's... You go downstairs, and then just turn right. And the camera's right there.